Hi, I'm Mike Vandenberg, Product Manager at Miller Electric. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to select the right gun for aluminum welding. There's a lot of different options out there. I'm going to go through some of those. Our first and most economical choice is probably going to be our spool gun. We call this a spool gun for a reason. You can see that there's a spool on the back. A 1-pound spool of aluminum wire goes in the back. It could be 4,000 or 5,000 series. Actually, it comes off the spool, gets pulled through a drive system. We have a drive roll and an idler roll here, and then works its way out to the front of the gun into the arc. This gun is very nice for small shop applications or if you're just doing occasional welding. So our other option other than a spool gun would be to go to a push-pull system. With the push-pull system, and this one you can see is still a pistol design just like the Spoolmatic gun I had, but this one actually uses a feeder in the back that pushes wire through a conduit up into the gun. It still has a drive roll and an idler roll system. This gun though is rated at a lot more amperage capability. It's going to handle heavier welding applications, thicker materials, those type of things. The next style of guns that we have that I'll talk about are our gooseneck style guns. The first one I'll talk about again is our more heavy industrial gun. This gun is very nice for getting into tighter spaces and those applications where I need more mobility with the gun. Has the same drive design, same drive roll, same idler roll as the other gun here. Basically pulls the wire up through from the wire feed motor in the back, which is why we call it the push-pull. Has a wire feed speed control on the bottom of the gun, so I don't need to go back to the box to change wire feed speed. This gun's also rated at 300 amps and 100% duty cycle, air-cooled. If we're going to go any hotter than that, we recommend you go to a water-cooled gun, which you can get almost any of these guns in except for the Spoolmatic gun. The next gun I'm going to talk about is a little lighter gun. This is for lighter duty applications, light industrial applications. Not rated quite as high because it's smaller. When we get smaller, we can't do quite as heavy of welding at those higher amperages. Again, this gun is very nice for smaller, lighter applications, smaller weldments. I know that was quick, but it gives you a little overview of how to select the right gun, shows you some of the offerings that we have in our aluminum gun offering line. And if you need more information, you can go to millerwelds.com or contact your local distributor.